Here we are doing another tasting of another interesting fruit that we grow at Logee's, the citron. And this is a variety called Turunji, or Turunji, which is one of the largest of the citron fruits that is grown. Laurel is here today with me to try a taste of this. Now, it's not a typical citrus because it's not the pulp that we eat, it's the rind. And so you can see what we have is a very small area of pulp and a very large area of rind, and that is the part of the citron that is used for candying as well as to eat.
We're eating the rind.
We're eating the rind of the citrus. Huh. So there you go, try that.
All right.
And see what you like.
First of all, if you do it like a popsicle, you can kind of get that lemony fragrance, and then
it's sweet.
It's kind of like an apple.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's also been compared to
sweet.
a pear. Yeah.
That is so good. I would never have guessed it because it's got the, you know, the citrus lemony cover to it. I can see why people like this. Did we try the dried rind?
Quite a bit of sugar in it.
There is no bitterness to this at all.
No, not like a grapefruit.
I'm so surprised. Yeah. But this, even with the sugar, there's a little bit of bitterness. Wow. Although it is very good.
There's a lot of citrus in that candy.
There's a lot of sugar too.
And so I guess you boil it in sugar syrup.
Yep.
And then dry it down and then coat it with granular sugar.
Wow. Do you use the pulp for anything? I mean, it's barely noticeable.
No, but actually what we'll do is there's seeds in there and we'll save them and we'll plant them.
We're going to plant them. That's what we do.
So we're going to make more little citron plants.
Wow. We could just sit here and take the afternoon off from work and
eat citron.
That was fun.
There we go. That's the citron.
Good.
Well worth growing and eating.
And we do have this recipe too on our website.
Right.
Yeah, it's really good. I'm going to have another one. Indulge.